Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare AWS to VS Code. We'll explore their distinct roles in software development and how they are often used together rather than as direct competitors. AWS provides a vast array of cloud services, from computing power to machine learning, while VS Code offers an efficient environment for writing and debugging code locally. Understanding their individual strengths will help you leverage both effectively in your projects. AWS stands out as a robust cloud platform, providing an extensive suite of services for virtually any application. You can scale your infrastructure on demand, from a single virtual machine to complex, distributed systems. With services like Amazon S3 for storage and Amazon EC2 for compute, AWS handles the heavy lifting of infrastructure management. This allows developers to focus on building applications, knowing their backend is reliable and globally accessible. VS Code is a favorite among developers for its speed, flexibility, and powerful features. It offers excellent support for numerous programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, and C++. The integrated debugger helps you quickly identify and fix issues, while Git integration streamlines version control. With a vibrant extension marketplace, you can customize your setup to boost productivity, making it an indispensable tool for local development tasks. Ultimately, AWS and VS Code serve different, yet complementary, purposes. VS Code is your local workstation for crafting code, while AWS is the powerful engine that runs and scales your applications in the cloud. Many developers use the AWS toolkit for VS Code to seamlessly interact with cloud resources, deploying code, or managing services directly from their editor. They are both critical components of a modern development workflow, each excelling in its specific domain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.